Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to work with the discussions. And in order to start a discussion with the other individuals that are on your team and involved in the project, you'll need to go first to this area and then click Post a New Message. Give the message a title. And then we'll need to write in what the discussion is going to be about. Now, of course, this is a WYSIWYG editor. You can write this as you would any other text document. You can make things bold or anything that you want. The most important part is going to be that you can determine who is going to get the message. So in this case, we can click this two people and we can determine that these two people are going to be the ones that will get the email. In other words, everyone on the team. Or we can decide specific individuals will get the emails and then others will not. Now what we can also do here is we can give notification to someone who's not part of the project. So we can click this link and then we can write in a name and email address. They will be able to reply by email, but they won't be able to see the rest of the project. Now this is a way that you can have non-participants involved in one aspect of the project without giving them full access to the nature of the discussion. What we can also do is if we know that our team is checking Basecamp on a regular basis, we can choose not to email anyone about this discussion. We can start the discussion when the individuals come inside of Basecamp and they see the discussion there. We can attach a file to this discussion as well as an individual Google Docs link. We're going to link a file here. And we're also going to do a Google Docs link. And when we click this link, we'll be asked to attach our Google Docs and we'll need to connect our account to Basecamp. We'll then allow Basecamp to view our Google Docs files. And then Basecamp will be integrated with our Google Drive and we can choose any of our files to attach to Basecamp. Once we have everything to start our discussion, we can then click Post this message. Now, when we have completed the discussion, what we can do is we can archive the discussion. So in other words, once the discussion is no longer needed by the team, we can click Archive this discussion. And then it will appear in the Archive Discussions page. We can go to that same area and then we can click Reopen this discussion. And then the discussion will be part of our project page. And you'll see that discussion here. Now we'll take a look at the discussion from the perspective of the individual that's part of the team and not the administrator. And you'll see that this individual sees the exact same in terms of the discussion. They'll even see that there's been a record as to what has happened since they've last viewed the project. Now the files will also appear in the files area in the entire project. So you'll still have access to the files even though you don't click inside of the discussions. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.